Babe. Babe, have you been outside today? The air is quite chilly. I might have to bundle up a little more next time. Yeah, I think I might have to pull out that winter coat early. This thin little jacket just isn't going to cut it. Anyways, I see that you're also a little cold tonight. You're shivering just as much as I am. Might as well say that we're both as cold as popsicles. You want me to warm you up? Of course I can do that, but I need to go grab something really quick. While I'm sure that the fireplace is warm and toasty, I don't think we'll get as warm and toasty as we want to be with just that. Alright, now my cute girlfriend should be warm and toasty in no time. Okay. I'm getting under the blanket too. You don't have to rush me. You look so cute cuddled up under this blanket next to me. I could cuddle you and give you kisses all day. I don't know. I mean, you are my cutie. Alright. I'll stop gushing over you now. Do you feel a little warmer now, though? Now that I'm here, huh? Who's the corny one now? Actually, before we have our usual long conversations, could we just lay against each other in silence for a moment? I've been talking a lot today, and you know I can't drive home without screaming some music. My voice is shot. I'm glad we got an apartment with a fireplace in it. The fire crackling just sounds nice, and it's a great visual. Your shoulder is so comfy. Maybe I should use it as a pillow more often. Alright, I think I'm better now. If I'm honest, it's so comfy over here that I might even go to sleep. I won't, I promise. But it is nice and toasty. I'm sure that your body's nice and toasty now too, right? That's good. So, how was your day? Do anything interesting on your day off while I was away? Not really. Dang, that's no fun. At least you were able to spend some time to relax, right? What? You didn't really get to relax? Oh, what's wrong, love bug? What's troubling you? Come on, babe, you can tell me. Don't feel scared to share how you feel. Do you need to hold my hand? Will that make you feel better? Okay, here's my hand. Alright, take your time. You ready? Okay, go on. Tell me. What? Really? Oh, babe. I'm sorry you feel lonely. Can I ask why you feel that way? Oh no, I'm so sorry, baby. I promise I'm not ignoring you. I know you don't like when I work overtime, but I needed to this time. My budget's been a little rough as of late. Come here, baby. How long have you been feeling like this? I'm so sorry, darling. This won't be going on for that much longer, I promise. I can't believe I've ignored my princess and left her all alone by herself like this. Come here. Let me give you some more kisses. Mm, 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 mm. Oh no, the blanket. Come here. I don't want any part of you freezing. There we go. Don't worry, darling. I'll spend a lot of time with you when I can, okay? There's so much I've been thinking about doing with you. I just wasn't sure when I had the time to be able to do it. Like, we wanted to try that one restaurant out, right? The one on Bobcat Terrace. I love saying that road name. I still think it's an interesting choice, don't you think? Anyway, their food smells so good every time we pass. I was thinking about taking us sometime this week on a date. Or helping you make that dessert you saw on your phone. It looked a little hard to make, if I'm honest. And I'm pretty sure out of the two of us, you're not the best at baking things, so... Hey. I was just kidding. I was kidding. But I was going to help you whenever you did that. I was even thinking of trying to do something new, like playing that one video game with you. I know you've been wanting to play, even a little bit with me. So I was thinking of asking you at some point if you wanted to do that. Yeah, I was. It's just I was busy working so much, so I barely even had much time to indulge in my own hobbies. But I don't mind spending some of my time with you instead. Being with you is just as fun. Don't worry, it's not a hassle at all. In fact, why do you think I like cuddling to sleep with my precious girl? Of course, because I love you, but also because I feel comfy next to you. Just being near you helps replenish my energy, and I know you feel the same. You're like... Well, we're both like portable chargers for each other. Sounds silly, but it's fitting in a way. Come here. I'm sorry, but you're so comfy. Is it okay if we just sit here for another minute? I won't stop saying you're comfy. We should cuddle on the couch like this more often. It just feels good. I don't even think I can take my head off of you. Because you're just so cute. And your shoulder's like a pillow for some reason. I love you, baby. Since I don't have to go in as early tomorrow, I'll give you extra attention tonight, okay? Yes, whatever type of attention you want. I want to make sure that I at least make up a little bit of the time I left you feeling so alone like this. And next time you feel like this, don't hold it in. I need to know. If you don't tell me, how am I ever going to know? I'll be more than willing to spend some more time out of my day to comfort you, but you have to tell me, okay? Good. I'm glad, really glad, you opened up about this. We should talk openly like this more often. We don't have to if you feel uncomfortable, but I just appreciate the honesty. I just feel more connected when we talk like this. Ugh, you're so cute. I'm sorry. Referring back to earlier, you know when we were talking about trying to do things together? Well, since I left work early today, and most restaurants are open, did you want to do takeout and watch some movies while on the couch together? I figured you'd like that idea. Alright. You're in charge this time. I'm gonna run to the bathroom and take a quick shower. I feel like being in my comfy PJs tonight. Alright, see you in a minute. Hi everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check out more content, then check out my Patreon. There's 6 different tiers you can join with several different benefits. You can either donate to the tip jar for general support, or you can upgrade to my other tiers, like my Cake Pop tier that includes early access to YouTube videos and bonus Safe for Work content. Or you can join the Sugar Cookie tier that includes early access, Patreon shoutouts, bonus Safe for Work audios, and more not Safe for Work audios that are exclusive to Patreon only. Or if you don't fancy Patreon, you can go support me on Ko-fi as well. Anyway, have a good day.